So I've done a lot of hidden gems inside of my channel here, talking about the different perks and benefits of the myEcon travel site. Well, we have another one and I want to share it with you. So let's dive in. What's up, my friends? DK here. Welcome to the channel. If you're new and learning about myEcon, making money online, home-based business, any of those sort of things, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. If you hit that bell icon, you, my friend, will be the first to know. So I found something pretty cool. I did some homework on it, and well, straight up, I want to share that with you. It's yet another hidden perk and benefit inside of the myEcon travel membership. And I'm going to do my very best to leave the different hidden gem videos that I've done in the description down below if you want to go see more of those and all the other perks and cool things that come with the myEcon travel membership. You'll get to learn all about that, like how they literally pay you money if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, or if someone books through your travel membership, you make money on what they save. All of those cool sorts of things I'll leave in the links down below so you can go check those out. But now let's go take a look at one other thing I found here that this is going to be short, this is going to be sweet, but it's also very important for you, especially if you are incredibly busy and maybe don't even have time to plan a vacation. You're going to want to see this. So let's go take a look. So once in your myEcon members area, it's really simple. You click on the travel membership. That is going to open up your own Zingo travel site. Okay. And like I said, I've gone through a lot of these different things here. We've talked about lifestyle and shopping rewards and restaurant savings and doing things on weeks here. This is kind of like your Airbnbs. There's so many different perks all throughout this travel site. The boomerang rewards, where you share, someone goes and books travel through your site, whatever they save, you earn. Great sort of things right here. But I'm going to show you something very, very simple. And it's a lot of people don't think about this feature when booking travel. So whether you're booking a full vacation for your family, or you are just maybe booking something for yourself, a spouse, a loved one, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. This can help you. So we're going to go here to the support tab. Okay. And there's a whole rabbit hole that you can go down here. But I want to point out a couple of basic things. And I did my homework and I have the exact answers that I'm going to give you here. Okay. So if you want to, there's a couple of things that I want to suggest. Let's say you want to book a vacation, but you just don't want to do all the legwork. You don't want to go out there and find the best hotel. You don't want to have to figure out rental cars. You don't want to have to figure out flights. You don't want to have to go doing all that stuff that most people, when they think about booking a vacation, especially if there's multiple people involved, you got, spouse or significant other, you got family members, kids, whatever. It can be overwhelming. It can be very, very stressful. So I'm hopefully going to help make that really easy for you. So a couple of quick things. Number one, you have chat with us now. Okay. If you're getting ready to book a trip, you could certainly use this feature here. You can get on the phone with somebody for sure. You could literally just kind of call here and go through the process there. Or if maybe you don't have time for that, maybe you want to use the online chat, you can do that. So there is a chat option. You can also see it down here over on your right-hand side. There's a chat option right there. So if you have a question, hey, what about this? What about that? Boom. You got these chat options. And by the way, I want you to notice this here too, 24/7 live support. So no matter where it is, if you get done with work and it's 11 o'clock at night, or it's 3 in the morning, or it's 7 in the morning, whatever it is, whatever your time zone is, these guys are available 24/7, which is really, really cool. So they cater to, I think it's over 150 countries around the world, which is really good to know. But here's another thing I want you to think about, and I did confirm this, okay? So right here, when you go to, I have a question about my membership right here, okay? There's a very important statement in here, and I want to break this down for you and talk about this real quick, okay? And I've done videos on this in the past, but again, these videos are worth doing every so often because, when you have a channel like mine and you have thousands of videos, a lot of the stuff can get lost. So it's good to kind of redo some content every now and then. So there's some key phrases in here that I want you to think about, and I'm going to, again, reiterate exactly what this means, okay? Call us right here and we will assist you in planning your next perfect travel experience. So I have confirmed this with support. So this is exactly what you could do if, maybe you want to take a trip, maybe you want to book something and there's multiple people involved. Maybe it's just you, maybe it's you and one other person, whatever it is. There's three things that you need to know right here, right now to take advantage of something really awesome. Okay. You can have the support for Zingo Travel, also known as the myEcon travel engine. You can have them book your entire trip for you, meaning you don't have to go do any of the research. You don't have to go figuring out hotels and flights and rental cars and meals and packages and all these other things. You could literally let them book the whole thing for you. And they simply just need three pieces of information from you. Okay. And it's really quick, simple, and easy. And I'm going to put them right here. Okay. So they simply need the dates that you want to, travel, right? They need to know your price, what price range you want to be in, whether it be a total price. Hey, I don't want to spend any more than $5,000. So as an example, I don't want to spend any more than $5,000 for this entire trip. Or, you could break it down. Hey, I don't want to spend more than $250 a night in a hotel. I don't want to spend more than $500 for an airline ticket, whatever it is. But you give them the dates you want to go. You're going to give them the price. And then you probably guessed the last one. You're going to give them the location. Okay. They need those three things. And then, of course, as they're getting ready to book it, as they're out there doing their research, they're going to need the names, obviously, of the people that are traveling. But these are the three basic things right here that they are going to need from you. So dates, when you want to go, how much you want to spend, and where you want to go. You give them those three things, okay, and they will literally go to work for you, and they will come back to you with multiple different plans and packages based on your wants and desires and needs. And this is a really awesome thing. So if you are, if you're a busy mom or dad, or you're a busy executive or whatever it is, but you just want to book a great vacation, but you don't want to go through the hassle of having to deal with all of the research and hotels and flights and rentals and food and all this other stuff, you can let the team members here, the support staff, handle all of that for you. And you just simply let them know when you want to go, where you want to go, and how much money you want to spend. You can give them a price per thing, a price per flight, a price per hotel, a price per rental, whatever it is. Or you could just give them a total package and say, hey, I don't want to spend more than $5,000 on this trip. I don't want to spend more than $3,000 on this trip, whatever it is. You let them know these three things right here, and they will go to work for you and then come back to you with your options. This is an incredible, highly unused benefit and perk of the support team here with the myEcon travel engine or Zingo Travel. So again, I want you to think of all these hidden gems and hidden perks inside the travel membership. And I've shown so many of these other videos here. Again, I'll try to leave all the links in the description down below with all the different hidden gems. So you need to be aware of these. But, if you just want to add something to your portfolio, to your home-based business, travel is a great way, but also, yeah, you can make commissions with this, and there's so many other perks that, obviously you want to talk about. You can use these things as lead magnets, give away free access to the travel site as a lead magnet for your business. Or if you're just looking to travel yourself and you want to take advantage of all these amazing benefits, this is something that you should really know about. And I've done so many of these other videos, and there's so many things inside here. Once you start digging and opening up the can and figuring out what is really in there, it is absolutely amazing. And for literally $59 a month, there is way more value in here than the price that you are paying, my friend. So wanted you to be aware of it, wanted you to see all the other perks that are in there. And again, just know that these resources are out here. Next time you go to book travel, I challenge you to take advantage of this. I challenge you to use the support team that goes to work for you to book you your perfect trip, less stress for you, and more enjoyment. Hope you got value from this video. Hope you have a slightly better understanding now of all the perks inside of the myEcon travel engine. So if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I put out new content. You hit that little bell icon doodad, you, my friend, will be the first to know. And if you want more information on myEcon, our team, how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for getting started with us, I'll also leave a link in the description down below, as well as an end card right here at the end of this video. You could simply tap on that and then go watch my full 30-minute overview and tutorial. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one.